All right, so now that we are very familiar with multiplication, we are going to start with dividing powers, okay? Now, there's two ways to do dividing powers that I'm going to show you. Let's look at, let's see, 3 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 2. So one way you could do this, once you expand 3 to the power of 4 and you expand 3 to the power of 2, then we can simplify 3 over 3, 3 over 3, and you see you end up with 3 to the power of 2, and they are on the top. You should see from the question right here that you have more 3's on the top. This is higher than this one. So you already should see in your head that you're going to end up with some 3's on the top. Now, just like when we did multiplication and we keep the base, here we're going to keep the base, and the base we can see is 3. So we're dividing, we keep the base. And how do we deal with the exponents? We're going to subtract. So keep the base, subtract the exponents. So we get 3 to the power of 2. So when you divide, what you're going to do is keep the base, and remember, it only works when the bases are the same. Keep the base, comma, subtract the exponents. Okay? So it's kind of the same thing as when you multiply. You do keep the base, but here we are going to subtract the exponents. And the reason why is because some of them will be on the top, some of them will be on the bottom. Therefore, some of them are going to cancel out. Okay? You're not going to be adding them because they're not all on the same level. So that's one way you could do this. So we keep the base and subtract the exponents. The other thing you could do is this. Let's say you have 4 to the power of 6 over 4 to the power of 2. You could rewrite this problem as a multiplication. Okay? So what you do is this. The top one is positive, so I'm going to keep it on the top. And this one that's on the bottom, I'm going to put it up. Why? Because I'm going to turn my division problem into a multiplication. Since you already learned how to multiply, all you have to do is turn this division into multiplication. But be careful, when you bring this up, it will become a -2. So keep the base at the exponents. So we keep the base and we add the exponents, and you will get the same thing.